Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here how to solve integral 0 to pi by 4 having function 1 by 1 plus sin x dx. So it is not in the standard form. So first of all convert this into the standard form by using trigonometry. So we know that all silver T curves formula. So that is sin theta can be written as in terms of cos, that is cos of pi by 2 minus theta, because it was in the first quadrant. Now apply this formula here. Then integral of 0 to pi by 4. So 1 by 1 plus sin x can be replaced with in terms of cos. It becomes cos pi by 2 minus theta. So it is in terms of x. So here x dx. Still it was not in the standard form. So again one more formula we are going to apply here. So that is from trigonometry. So 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 into cos square theta by 2. So let us assume that this is theta. Now substitute, it becomes like this. So that is integral of 0 to pi by 4 1 by, so this is nothing but 1 plus cos theta, complete replace with 2 cos theta by 2. That is 2 into cos square. So theta is, this is number pi by 2 minus x by 2 dx. It becomes integral of 0 to pi by 4. So 1 by 2 into cos square. It becomes pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Here 1 by 2 is there. Keep this constant outside. Then becomes, so 1 by 2 into integral of 0 to pi by 4. So this can be written as 1 by cos square theta, nothing but secant square theta. Theta is, this is. So it can be written as secant square of pi by 4 minus x by 2 dx. Now it was in the standard form of integrals. Now we can easily apply the standard formula here. So let's see here. So integral of secant square theta d theta can be written as tan theta. Now use this formula here. It becomes, so keep constant as it is, half of, so here theta means this is tan of pi by 4 minus x by 2 having limits there, that is from 0 to pi by 4. So it becomes, so half of, so tan of pi by 4 minus pi by 8, a substitute 0, becomes tan of pi by 4. It becomes half of, so pi by 4 minus pi by nothing but pi by 8 only. It is tan pi by 8 minus tan pi by 4. Now use calculator, you get the value, that is half of, so this value is equal to, so minus 1 plus root 2, and this is 1, so minus 1 is there. So it becomes minus 2 plus root 2 by 2. So this is the required answer for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.